sample.
Still got the souffle! Don't kill me. Ready, bedtime.
Best cereal. It was a nightmare.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
You got something that you know. Find peace for yourself. Find peace for yourself. Fill the void.
Here we go. Come on, Lucky Road. Happy birthday to me. Season 1 of the Stickman Adventure. Hope you enjoy season 2.
100,000!
Don't worry, Squidward. I'll turn it on.
Do you like cauliflower cupcake?
The end. The end.
I know. That can't be. That's impossible.
Coconut have water in.
Guys, who's that? If we put
Hell yeah.
Yo, my thing's still charging. I think I glitched it.
the observatory of the future, the chamber of earthly riches, is the fountain of eternal youth. It is now bathed in blue. The colors is the best. If you're heading to observatory of the future, you get out.
I am Caillou with my baldy head, and I'm gonna do a booty slap.
Right on your butt.
I'm gonna show you this harpsichord, part 2.
इनको खतरनाक बनाया गया। स्पेशल पंप का यूज किया बनाया जाता है। बस एक अंतर।
Duck, duck, walk, fun to ride, wick, stick, lick, dinner time, spit, split, slit, shut your eye, winch, stitch, pinch, big surprise.
Number 3, seasonal events. On Halloween, you'll like backyard. Keep your nose clean. When the clock strikes 13, start running once the clock starts to once to wait for 13.
Perfect game for you. Y'all know zombies hate sunlight and fire, so you need a little strategy. Build a bigger campsite by collecting wood. Campsite by collecting.
I can't wait to.
Galletas!
Here is Santa, like Santa's reindeer.
Seasonal events. On Halloween,
Yeah, some big news.
T-Rex also had excellent vision.
The first one was too hot, the second one was too cold.
Yet.
nighty-night. That's it.
jug, a tin can, an aluminum stick bag, a spray ball, a glass ball, even a cardboard box, kitty litter, bubble gum, or even like a dirty diaper.
The night is out.
Nighty night bean. A milk jug, a tin can, an aluminum plastic bag, spray ball, ooh, a glass ball, even a cardboard box, kitty litter, bubble gum, or even like a dirty diaper.
Appman. Bedtime.
Okay, I guess that's a right.
Oh, you got
Not hungry.
to the pot it goes. Now for some cauliflower.
That's it. Anakin, Dexter, and Kurt.
You are great.
X-Spot.
Welcome to Carl's Car Wash. It's a big rig. Is it a little messy? Medium messy? Or super duper she fit? Or tacky top? It's totally tacky, normal size? Or is it big? It's definitely big.
Melt it, cakeify, explode it, squish it, plate it.
Until every succulent marshmallow was gone.
Oreo white chocolate Santa Claus. You think you're funny? I'm gonna need you now, okay? Yes, I ate too much.
Grab the.
Oreo white chocolate Santa Claus.
Melt it, cakeify, explode it, squish it, plate it.
Nighty night bean.
The first one was too hot. The second one was too cold.
Season 1 of the Stickman Adventure. Hope you enjoy season 2.
100,000!
Don't worry, Squidward. I'll turn it on.
Do you like cauliflower cupcake?
If we put the observatory of the future,
Keep your nose clean. When the clock strikes 13, the curve start running once the clock starts to once a wait for 13.
Galletas!
Milk jug, a tin can, an aluminum stick bag, a spray ball, a glass ball, even a cardboard box, kitty litter, bubble gum, or even like a dirty diaper.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Until every succulent marshmallow was gone.